question number 3, we're trying to find the intersection point. So I need to graph both of these equations. So for the top equation, I can get y by itself if I divide both sides by x. So y is going to be equal to 1 over x, and this will be my y1. With the bottom equation, if I subtract 3x from both sides, y is equal to negative 3x plus 1, and this is my y2. So if I type these both into my calculator, and the window that I used was negative 5 to 5, negative 5 to 5, and you graph it, this is what it looks like. And you'll notice that there is no intersection point here. So if the slope had been different on the line, if it had gone like this instead, then we'd have 2 intersection points. But with it being this direction here, there's no intersection point. So my answer would be no solution.